Last piece. Oh, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. She's gone to heaven, so I got to be good. So I can be my baby when I leave this world.